Where you're at. Have a seat. Move.
While the county attorney dismissed the charges against Tyron Mcalpin, a deaf man with cerebral palsy seen in this video, there are still lingering questions following the violent confrontation caught on Phoenix police body camera.
Incidents like this continue to, I think, erode whatever trust does exist in the community in its police department.
We spoke with former Department of Justice attorney and police oversight expert Michael Giannacco, who broke down the body cam video in this controversial case.
I certainly have some concerns about the way in which both the initial officer as well as the backup officer approached this situation.
Immediately from the get-go, he believes the officers approached the situation aggressively when they should have taken a much more calmer approach.
The officers could have learned more about the situation, could have learned more that could have either eliminated or raised the suspicion of this fella as the individual that they were seeking. And it also, in this case, significantly, could have given the officers an alert that this person was suffering from disabilities.
Another concern Giannacco pointed out to us was when the officers can be seen beating Mcalpin in the head multiple times. He says head punches are typically used to subdue a subject. However, in the hundreds of police cases he's reviewed, they tend to escalate the situation even more.
Hand behind your back!
Natural instinctive reaction to anybody who's getting, beaten repeatedly about the head with fists are to cover up, to resist, to at some point fight back, to do whatever they can to prevent that pain infliction, that injury infliction from happening.
Giannacco believes in today's world of policing, officers should be focusing on de-escalation, especially at the beginning of an encounter. In Mcalpin's case, video shows it turned physical in seconds. He's also surprised Mcalpin was charged in the first place.
And I don't know how that could have happened if the prosecutor had seen the video. I just don't understand it. As a former prosecutor, I never would have filed this case.
Now, this case has sparked a ton of controversy across not just Phoenix, but the nation. So on our website, you can find statements from the Phoenix police chief, the mayor, council members, and others as well. As for our previous coverage, which has interviews with Mcalpin's attorney.
All right, Stephen Sarabi with that update. Stephen, thank you. Meantime.